Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Fusion. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to talk about, a topic that I know many of you have been eagerly waiting for. We're diving deep into the world of online earning, and I'm here to guide you through the easiest and most effective ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. So, if you've ever dreamed of financial freedom and a flexible lifestyle, you're in the right place. Let's start with a story that I believe many of you can relate to. Meet Sarah, a young professional who's caught in the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of a life where she has more control over her time and finances. She's heard about people making a killing online, and she's intrigued. Could this be her golden ticket? Well, Sarah, and all of you watching, I'm here to tell you that it's not just possible, it's more accessible than ever before. The digital landscape has evolved tremendously, and the opportunities to earn money online are vast and varied. From freelancing and content creation to affiliate marketing and online tutoring, the options are endless. But here's the catch, it's not a walk in the park. The online world is competitive, and success requires strategy, skill, and a whole lot of perseverance. But don't worry, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. I'm going to share with you the strategies that work, the common pitfalls to avoid, and the tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. And trust me, this is not just another generic guide. I've done the research, I've been in the trenches, and I'm here to share real, actionable advice that you can start implementing today. So, are you ready to transform your financial future and unlock the secrets to earning money online? Let's dive in and get started on this exciting journey together. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding the landscape of online earning. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and no matter what skills you have, there's a place for you to shine and earn. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for showcasing your skills, whether you're a writer, designer, or coder. And the best part? You can start earning right away. Now, let's talk about content creation. If you have a passion for sharing knowledge or entertaining others, platforms like YouTube can be incredibly lucrative. It's all about creating content that resonates with your audience and provides real value. And yes, it might take time to build your audience, but the payoff is absolutely worth it. But what if you don't want to create content or offer services? Well, affiliate marketing might be the perfect fit for you. By promoting products or services, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral. And with programs like Amazon Affiliates, the earning potential is huge. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, Dash, but I don't have any money to invest. And that's the beauty of it. Many of these opportunities require minimal to no upfront investment. It's all about leveraging your skills and time. And with the right strategies, you can start earning money online without breaking the bank. But here's the deal, while the opportunities are plentiful, success doesn't come overnight. It requires consistency, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. And that's exactly what we're going to cover next. I'm going to share with you advanced strategies, tips, and tricks to maximize your online earnings and ensure you're on the right track to financial freedom. So, stay tuned, grab a notebook, and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to dive deep into the strategies that will elevate your online earning game to new heights. Let's do this. First and foremost, diversification is key. Don't rely on a single income stream. Explore different avenues, experiment, and find what works best for you. This approach not only boosts your earning potential but also provides a safety net, ensuring financial stability. Next, focus on building a strong personal brand. In the online world, your reputation is your currency. A strong personal brand attracts more clients, opportunities, and ultimately, more income. Showcase your skills, share your knowledge, and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Now, let's talk about networking. Connecting with other online earners and industry professionals opens doors to collaborations, partnerships, and a wealth of knowledge. Engage with communities, participate in forums, and don't be afraid to reach out and connect. And of course, continuous learning is crucial. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and skills is a must. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a plethora of courses to keep you in the know. But remember, success in the online world requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. Stay disciplined, remain consistent, and the results will follow. If you'd like to learn more, there is a link to a full course on how to set up an online business in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So take that step today, stay committed, and watch as the world of online earning transforms your life. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.